Hello guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be showing you how to enable the Afflr app extension. It's crucial to have the Afflr extension enabled in your theme for the proper execution of referral links, affiliate portal, sign up forms, and thank you page. Don't worry, it's easy to do and I'll guide you through the process. That's why I'm here. So let's just go to our dashboard first, and you will be able to see this prompt everywhere on the Afflr dashboard because this is such a crucial step, as I mentioned earlier. So to utilize the Afflr app on your Shopify store, you'll have to simply enable it within your store's theme. And here's how you can do it. All you have to do is click on this enable button from the prompt here itself. So once you click on the enable button, you will have to simply follow the steps that are mentioned here. All you can do is copy this particular Afflr key, then go to your theme editor by clicking on this go to theme editor button, which will direct you to this particular page, which is the app embeds. Now all you have to do is make sure this particular toggle is on, that is the Afflr extension embed is on, and then you can just paste the key that we have copied from the previous screen. Now once you copy and paste it, you can simply save your settings and your theme will now be saved. All right. So this is one way of doing it. Remember, every time you change a theme, it's important to enable Afflr in that theme. For example, you can just follow these steps to do so. What you can do is open and click on the online store in a new tab. I'm going to be doing this on a new tab. Now what you can do is select theme from the drop down menu. You can just go to themes here and then click on customize. You click on customize, you'll be again taken to app embeds, which is here. Now all you have to do is get to the app embeds here and make sure this thing is enabled. All right. And here you'll be able to paste your key. So this is one way of doing it. Another alternate way is every time you change a theme, you can enable Afflr in that theme. It's very important, and for that you can follow the steps. All you have to do is click on the online store. From here you'll be able to find themes. Now go to themes and click on the customize button here, which will take you to this particular screen, the home page. Now get to app embeds, and from here you can just enable the Afflr extension. Plus, if you click on this drop down, you'll be able to paste your Afflr key. So these are two ways you can enable Afflr extension in your store's theme, and we want to make sure you're able to success. This is a very crucial step, and we hope this helps you to successfully complete it. If you have any trouble, you can always reach out for assistance. We're always happy to help. Thank you for choosing Afflr, and I'll see you in the next video.